everyone, welcome back. Is eFootball crashing right in the middle of a match, kicking you out just when your game gets close? Here's the fix. Mid-match crashes almost always come down to memory running out during gameplay. First, force close every other app in your app list before starting a match during gameplay. After that, since eFootball's 3D match engine needs available memory to render players and stadiums smoothly, go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage and free up space since low storage adds extra strain that leads to crashes mid-match. After that, in the settings itself, go back, go to general, then go to background app refresh and make sure that it is turned off for the apps you do not use often. Freeing more memory for the match. If it crashes, continue. Then lower your in-game graphics quality from the settings menu before your next match, since high graphics settings use significantly more memory and are a leading cause of mid-match crashes on older devices. Finally, restart your iPhone completely to clear built-up memory pressure before the next session. So all you've got to do is close background apps, free up storage, then turn off background app, refresh, lower graphics and restart if needed. Matches don't crash mid-game, and that's it. Subscribe.